Hi guys, welcome to the JFS channel. I'm super excited to have you guys here today. So today we'll be discussing about the strategy that was able to grow a $100 plus account into a $4,000. So this strategy is basically boom macro strategy, and this strategy can also use on the job index and the VIX indices. So today we are walking you guys through the strategy, and how you guys can also be making use of the strategy to make money trading the boom market crash. So if you are new to the first channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on our post notification. Anytime I post a strategy, you guys will be aware. Also guys, we do something, we offer account management. No matter how little or big your equity is, your account balance is, so we'll be able to assist you out, trade on your account, and then make the money for you. And we have our terms and conditions for our account management. So if you really agree with our terms, then we'll be able to manage your account for you. So with that being said, let's quickly jump into the strategy. So now this is the settings we need for the strategy, and before I'll be able to show you guys, teach you guys how you can make use of strategy, I first need to explain to you guys how you are going to set everything up. So I won't be able to delete this indicator up, so I'll be just walking you guys through this strategy right here. So the settings for the strategy, just go with this icon right here. So when you get that icon, the first thing you need is the moving average. So you click on the F plus and main chart and set for your moving average. Now here's the parameters for the moving average. The period is 6, shift is 0, the method is simple, apply to close on the style. I'm going to be using the black color, so you can choose any color of your choice. So when you set up like this, then click on done and you are good to go. So the next indicator we are going to be adding is going to be our RSI. Now to add the RSI up, click on the main chart F plus. So click on the main chart F plus, the search for RSI. And this is the parameters for the RSI. The period is 50, apply to close, and then the style is not necessarily. Now the levels, we need the 20, 80 and 50 levels, and I'm going to be using the black color for the levels, so you can choose any color of your choice. So when you first up, then click on done, and your RSI is going to be listed on your indicator window 1. Now the next indicator we're going to be adding is the Ichimoku, which is going to be listed on our indicator window 1. So click on the indicator window 1 F plus and set your Ichimoku, click on it, and then we need these parameters. The technician is 1, the condition is 1, and then the span B is also 52. Now the style, we only need the application style, so I'm going to be using the black color. So when I set it up like this, then click on done. Now last but not the least, indicator we are going to be adding is going to be our stochastic oscillator. Now to add the stochastic oscillator up, click on the F plus, main chart. Now set for your stochastic oscillator, click on it, and then the parameters for the stochastic oscillator. The K period is 5, the T period is 3, the time period is also 3. The price is low and high, the method is simple, and then the style, I'm going to be using the mean and the signal. So I'm going to be using the blue and the red color. Now the levels, we need the 20 at the 80 level. So set it up, then click on done, and then you have all settings you need for the strategy right here. So how are you not going to make use of the strategy right here? How are you not going to make use of the strategy? Now to make use of the strategy right here, this is what we need to do. Now firstly, before show you guys the zoom level for the strategy. Now I'll zoom out completely, then you need the zoom level of 2. So you just zoom in 1 and the second one, no, the first one and second one, actually first one right here and the second one. So just need the second zoom level right here. So now this is the second zoom level. Now this strategy is used on the 5-minute time frame, the 15-minute time frame, and the 1 hour time frame also. So now, though I took this with the 1 hour time frame strategy, but I do love to explain you guys on the lower time frame, because see, most of people come with little equity. So I'll be using the 15-minute time frame for this explanation of this strategy right here. Now, first explanation I'll go to give you guys how you guys are going to make use of strategy to scalp. So I'll now get to make use of strategy to scalp now. To scalp with this strategy right here. So first thing we want to look out for is just make sure that you see the price moving below the moving average in our main chart. Once you see that, then you want to look into your indicator window 1. So when you look into your indicator window 1, then you look at your Ichimoku that is touching the 80 levels of the RSI. So when that happens, also the last thing you want to look at for is the crossbars price at this stochastic oscillator, and you want to make sure that it's at the 80 levels, and then your crossover needs to happen. So when you see that, then you catch your 4 to 3 candles, and then you are out the market. Remember, this is the 15-minute time frame. If you catch 3 to 4 candles on the 15-minute time frame, you can see how money you are going to be made. So now this is another setup right here. So you can see we have this price moving below the moving average right here in our main chart, and then we have it touches right here again at the Ichimoku, touching the 80 levels of the RSI, and then you could see the stochastic oscillator changing from blue to red, crossing below each other, and then touching the 80 levels of the stochastic oscillator. So and then you can see we have this price moving downward, and you can see now, let's say you catch 3 candles right here and you are out of the market. You can see this spike right here won't be able to catch you. So you don't have to be greedy with the strategy right here. You don't have to be greedy with this strategy. Now that's how you guys are going to make use of the strategy to scalp. Now if you want to use strategy to catch spike, also you can use strategy to catch spike, but a little bit of that you won't be able to use on 15-minute time frame. You know that you want to use it on 1-minute time frame, same as we did right here. You can see we have all set up right here, but let me explain to you guys how you can make use of strategy to catch spike on the 15-minute time frame. Do catch spike on the 15-minute time frame with this strategy, you can see sometimes I could say you could see only just one setup in a day, or you can see 2 test setup in a day. The setups don't always occur, so it's just that making use of strategy to scalp is the switch method. But to catch spike with the strategy also, just that you might be seeing a little setup in every single day. Now I want to use one setup as an example for you guys. Want to use one setup as an example. So this is it right here. So you can see we have this spike going right here. You can see how crazy the market spike right at this area right here. So when you see that spike, then you want to look at where the market is coming to touching this spike right here. You can see now this is the confirmation you need to see before taking any spike. First thing you want to see that this Ichimoku touching the 20 levels of the RSI, and then you want to look into your stochastic oscillator. Is it crossing over? Is it crossing over right here in the 20 levels of the stochastic oscillator? Is it crossing over? When the cartels have been made, then wait for the candle to almost close below the first spike right here. So when you almost close below the first spike, then that's when you want to catch your spike right here, and then you out of the market when it touches the 50 levels of the RSI right now, indicator window 1. So that's that on that. So this strategy using it on the job index. So I'll be using the job 75 as an example. So you can also use strategy on the VIX as well. Now to use strategy to trade on the job index, this is what you need to see. First thing you want to see, saying that this so let's say you want to buy right here. So we want to look out for the price to move above the moving average right here, and then you want to look into our indicator window 1, seeing the Ichimoku touching the 20 levels of the RSI, and also want to see is the oscillator touching the 20 levels and then crossing above each other. So that's what we need to see before we go for a buy. And same thing for a sell right here. So if you go for a sell, you want to see the price moving below the moving average right here, and then you want to look into our indicator window. One, I want to see that the Ichimoku touching the 80 levels of the RSI, and the last one I want to see is cross reversal right here, and also touching the 80 levels of stochastic oscillator and the cross reversal right at that area. So as simple as it is, you can see I'm using the 15 minute anything. So as simple as it is. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification. Anytime I post a strategy, you guys will be aware. Thank you guys for seeing the next video. Bye.